Suppose N is a normal subgroup of group G. Which of the following is true? We have to find true statements from these four options. Which statement is true? Remember one point, a statement is always true or always false. If we have an example which is either contradict the statement, it means the statement is false, otherwise it is always true. So if G is an infinite group, then G over N or quotient group is an infinite group. If G is non-abelian group, then G over N is non-abelian group. If G is a cyclic group, then quotient group is an abelian group. If G is a abelian group, then G over N is cyclic group. So we have given four options and we have to find which one option is true. So recall some basic definition related to group theory or related normal group. So a group said to be normal if G n G inverse is always belongs to N when G is coming from group and N is coming from normal group, normal subgroup, means this is N. So if it is true for all G, if it is true for all G, then we can say this is normal subgroup. And we have some theorems or ideas related to quotient group or normal group. As Z over Nz, this is quotient group, is always isomorphic to Zn. As N is appearing here, so this is isomorphic to Zn. Also, a group of prime order is cyclic, and every cyclic group is abelian. So you can see option C as if G is a cyclic group, G is cyclic, and this is G over N is quotient group, is an abelian group. So quotient group of a cyclic group is cyclic, so G over N is cyclic, and from this discussed statement, if it is cyclic then it is abelian. So option C is directly, you can see this is true statement, and you can discard other options. If G is an infinite group, then G over N is an infinite group. This is statement A, and we have to find this is true or false. G is infinite group, then G over N is also infinite. Is this true? As we discussed, G over Nz is isomorphic to Zn. So we have to consider a group which is infinite order. So this is group of integer, and this is infinite. Order of this group is infinite, and normal subgroup of this group, normal subgroup of this group. So N is normal subgroup. So you can consider N as either 5Z or 7Z, anyone. So this is normal subgroup of Z. So Z over 5Z is isomorphic to Z5, and this is finite group. This is finite group. So statement A or first statement is directly, you can say this is false statement. So you can discard other options. J is a abelian group, then G over N is cyclic group. So you will reach this statement is also false, and option B is again false. So you have to discard options one by one. So you can consider So whenever you are dealing MCQ type problems, so you have sufficient knowledge or abundant knowledge of group. Remember some groups which are finite, what is its order, this is normal or not, and some isomorphic theorem. So these facts will help you how to discard options in MCQ type problems, means time bound exam, because in time bound exam we have to save time, so we can attempt number of question to secure good rank.